Perspective projection. Introduction. Perspective projection or perspective drawing is the representation of an object on a plane surface called the picture plane as it would appear to the eye when viewed from a fixed position. Principle of perspective projection. In perspective projection, the eye is assumed to be situated at a definite position relative to the object. The vertical plane, which in perspective is called a picture plane, is placed between the object and the eye. Visual rays from the eye to the object converge to a point in the eye and are therefore inclined to the picture plane. The rays pierce the picture plane and form an image on it. This image is the perspective of the object. Definitions of perspective elements. Various elements used in obtaining the perspective views are defined as follows. Ground plane GP. It is a horizontal plane on which the object is assumed to be situated. Station point S. It is the point where the eye of the observer is located while viewing the object. Picture plane PP. It is a vertical transparent plane located between the station point and the object which is to be viewed. It is the plane on which the perspective is formed. The front view of perspective elements and of the object, if necessary, is also projected on this plane. Horizontal plane HP. This imaginary plane is at the level of the eye, that is the station point. It is a horizontal plane above the ground plane and at right angles to the picture plane. Auxiliary ground plane AGP. It is a horizontal plane placed above the horizon plane. The top view of the object and of the perspective elements is projected on this plane. Ground line GL. The line of intersection of the picture plane with the ground plane is called the ground line. Horizon line HL. It is the line in which the horizon plane intersects the picture plane. It is parallel to the ground line. Perpendicular axis PA. It is the line drawn through the station point perpendicular to the picture plane. It is sometimes called the line of sight or axis of vision. Center of vision C. The point in which the perpendicular axis pierces the picture plane is called the center of vision. It lies on the horizon line. Central plane CP. It is an imaginary vertical plane which passes through the station point and the center of vision. It contains the perpendicular axis. It is perpendicular to both the picture plane and the ground plane.